In this video, we'll show you how to replace the headlight bulb in a 2007 Chevy Cobalt.
So it looks like there's two 10mm bolts here. I'm going to take these two off here, and the light does wiggle out of this housing. It's a little tight, but it does come out. Tight. The wiring is kind of fragile on these things, so you can unplug this connector and we'll take the whole assembly out and we'll put the bulb in on the bench. Okay, so it looks like this collar just twists around here, and then we can wiggle the bulb out, and we're going to disconnect the bulb supplies here. Try not to break it. Looks like the bulb comes in from the back side here. So we'll open up the package and we'll get the new one in. Okay, so this is a 9000 bulb, 9007, pardon me. You don't really want to touch these if you can. I have rubber gloves on, so that's a good thing. And then we'll check our connections, make sure there's no hot pins. Any pins that got overheated and expanded, they all look good. And we're going to plug this in right now. And then we're going to slide this back into the housing.
And if you're replacing the headlight itself, you would need to take out that headlight bulb and this parking light bulb.
So this configures in with the connector, to release connector up on the top, and then we're going to lock this back into place. And that's it. It's in tight. And this one here, if you want to release this one just unlocks, and you can pull out for your 3157 bulb. And this one's still good, so we're going to leave it. And that's it. We're ready for reassembly. Reinstall it. It has a couple of tabs on the bottom here. We're going to slide into these two grooves down here. So we'll just gently sit it on the bumper. We're going to plug our connector back in. Inspect your pins again. They're good. Okay, that's that. This has a little locking clip. This is supposed to be locked onto this like that. That doesn't look like it wants to stay. Probably not going to stay. In theory, that's where it's supposed to go. So let's try and get this tucked into here. There she is. Now I'm just going to put our bolts down. And we'll make sure that it works.
Yep, you're all set. Yep.
Alrighty.
So hope you liked the video. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment. We'll reply back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you liked it. Thanks for watching, guys.